And it's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I have one more video for you guys tonight. I wanted to do my Walmart haul tonight because so many people are asking about this stuff, how I got it, is it in stores? So I thought I'd come on and talk a little bit more about the Dove products and the Dawn products at Walmart. So I had seen a lot of these like on Instagram and I'm like, ooh, I gotta check this out. So I went to Walmart yesterday morning. I went to Walmart. They had some good stuff. I gotta say, I love Walmart jeans. I just get the Lee Riders. They have the long because I'm tall. Got a pair of jeans. I got my mother a sweatshirt. I got her a pair of pants. I got like a t-shirt. And then I went to the beauty section and they didn't have any of the stuff I'm about to show you, which is a little bit of a bummer, but I was able to order it online and it came really fast. Like it came like next day. So I'm going to try out these products. They have the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash Dish Spray in Fresh Pine. Now, I've used this product. I'm going to just spray a little bit on my hand to see what it smells like. Oh, it smells really good. I gotta say, that's nice. It does smell like fresh pine. This stuff works really well. It says 5 times faster grease cleaning. Use in place of your normal dish soap. Scrape off extra food. Do not soak in water. So you basically just kind of spray your dishes, wash them. It smells really good though. That's a win. Okay, then I also got the pumpkin spice one. I'm going to spray this one on my other hand. So you can kind of see, basically it's a pump. And then, let me see if I can get this one going. There we go. Okay, watch. There we go. See how it's sprayed out there? And it's on my hand now? It's basically just a foam. Oh, I like the pumpkin spice. I think I like the pumpkin spice better because it smells like food. You want your dishes to smell like food, but I have a feeling people are going to like the balsam one too. So those are available online. I also got, they have deodorant, by the way, and a couple of other products, but I picked a few of them. I got the Dove Sugar Cookie Sprinkle Limited Edition Body Wash, and it's pink. I'm going to use this tonight. I'll report back, but can you guys see this? Look, it's pink, but it smells good. It almost smells like animal cracker with frosting. It smells like a pink sugar cookie. So I got this one. Are there scent notes on here? Oh, it's vanilla nuttiness of freshly baked sugar cookies. It's good though. I like this one. I also got peppermint bark. I didn't like the peppermint bark last year in the bar soap. I thought it had a weird odor to it, but I kind of like it in the body wash this year, and I don't know why. So I'm going to try this one. It's fresh peppermint blended with rich, creamy chocolate in a luxurious lather. So I got this one. Super excited to try it. And then the final thing I got at Walmart, check it out. Oh, I also got Halloween candy, by the way. Oh my gosh. Cinnamon pumpkin pie body scrub, no sulfites. This one is sweet cinnamon spice mixed with buttery pumpkin notes. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. It smells amazing. And the formula, it's like a light exfoliant body scrub. You can kind of see it on my hand here. It looks like frosting. And it feels good, I gotta say. So I'm going to try this. I feel like the pumpkin spice would mesh well with the sugar cookie. I don't know if I'd want to mix peppermint bark and pumpkin pie. I might try these like differently, but definitely check out Walmart. So what you're going to do is if you go to Walmart online, just Google Dove and then sort by new and you'll find a lot of these products. And then same with the Dawn. Just Google Dawn at Walmart and then do some sorting. So I'm going to try and get my hands on more stuff for the holidays because it's fun to get all this holiday stuff. So anyway, that was my little Walmart haul. I will be going back there soon. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.